All right, nurses, let's address the new tablet system. I know there's been a learning curve. The primary goal of this system is to streamline patient data access and improve efficiency. You can input vital signs, medication administration, and progress notes directly.
What about patient allergies? How do we ensure they're clearly visible?
Excellent question. The allergy information is displayed prominently in red at the top of the patient profile. Also, there's a function to flag severe allergies for quick reference during medication administration.
I'm worried about battery life. What if the tablet dies during a code blue?
We anticipated that. The tablets have extended battery life and can be quickly swapped. In Code Blue, we prioritize paper charts as a backup, but the tablet data will be synced once the emergency is over.
Will there be training for everyone? I'm still struggling with the medication module.
Absolutely. We're rolling out mandatory training sessions next week. There will also be online tutorials and a dedicated help desk. Remember, this system is a tool to enhance patient care, not a hindrance. Let's focus on adapting and utilizing its full potential.
Mihira, I want to walk you through exactly what to expect so you can feel completely at ease about your upcoming procedure. Taking care of yourself starts well before you arrive at the hospital, and following these steps will ensure everything goes as safely as possible. First, your stomach needs to be empty to prevent any complications. This means you should not eat any solid food for at least 6 hours before your appointment. You may drink clear fluids like water or apple juice, but you must stop drinking those entirely 2 hours before the procedure starts. Regarding your regular medications, please continue taking them with just a small sip of water unless our team specifically told you to pause them, especially if you take blood thinners or medicine for diabetes. Mihira, when you arrive at the hospital, our team will be there to guide you through every step. We will start by sitting down together to review the consent process, where we will explain the procedure again and answer any last questions you might have before you sign the paperwork. You will then be given a private space to change into a comfortable hospital gown. To make sure you are relaxed, we will discuss the sedation plan tailored just for you. Before the procedure begins, the nurse will apply a gentle numbing spray to the back of your throat. It might taste a little bitter and feel a bit strange as it begins to work, but it is very effective at making the process comfortable. Throughout everything, we will be right by your side to support you.